Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Started with the name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Currently, we have been sharing with anti-neoplastic agent and anti-cancer drugs. In that respect, I did talk to you. We can intervene by 5 ways. And one of the 5 ways is anti-metabolites. Under anti-metabolites, they are further categorized into pyrimidine drugs as anti-metabolite, fluorine drugs as anti-metabolite, and number 3, anti-foliates. We have discussed foliates, we have discussed fluorine, and today current dilemma of the talk is pyrimidine drug, which act as anti-metabolite. In this respect, important one is 5-fluorouracil. Here is the uracil molecule, and this uracil, by replacing one hydrogen, fluorine has been attached here, and that is why this has been coming as 5-fluorouracil. And this 5-fluorouracil, by attaching fluorine, would let the RNA and DNA not to form in a way as it is formed. Look at, here is fluorine, and again here is fluorine. But previously, while there is uracil, there is hydrogen, and if there will be hydrogen, RNA will be formed. If there will be hydrogen, DNA will be formed, and cell keep on dividing, and cancer will form. And when you attach with this fluorine, the ultimate constituent, which as pathway has been shown, RNA would not be formed and DNA would not be formed, and cancer will start. That is why the 5-fluorouracil, just to mimic, has been used here and to stop the cancer. So in that respect, I would like to say that is the anti-cancer drugs based on pyramid structure are shown in figure 10.8. These are all here, and we are keenly interested in 5-fluorouracil. Rest of all these drugs, that anti-cancer drugs based on pyrimidine and related compound, they are all that, but we are keenly interested in the moment this 5-fluorouracil, wherein fluorine has been replaced by hydrogen, and fluorine has been attached, and it wants to let it to form the DNA and RNA molecule. If in place of hydrogen there is fluorine, it will not be able to constitute, and RNA and DNA will not be formed. And if the RNA and DNA precursor will not be there, and that will not be able to constitute, and the cell will not divide and redivide, and ultimately we will be able to control the cell medium, and cancer will be controlled in that respect. Now, I'm going to little view of it. The anti-cancer drugs based on pyrimidine structure shown in figure 10.8, the pyrimidine derivative of 5-fluorouracil was designed to block the conventional conversion of uridine to thymidine. The normal biosynthesis of thymidine involved methylation of 5 position of the pyrimidine ring or uridine, the replacement of the hydrogen at the 5 position of uracil with the fluorine, which I am just mentioning to you many times. If this hydrogen, which was previously there, be replaced by fluorine, this pathway goes on, and fluorine would be the constituent of replacing the hydrogen. So required RNA will not form, required DNA will not form, and the cell medium will not go on, and we will be able to control the cancer in that respect. The normal biosynthesis of pyrimidine involves methylation of 5-fluoro position of the pyrimidine ring of uridine, the replacement of hydrogen at the 5 position of the uracil with the fluorine results in an anti-metabolite drug leading to the formation of a stable covalent tendency complex compound of 5-fluorouridine thymidylate synthetase and cofactor, a tetrahydrofolate species. The normal pathway of the formation of thymidine from uridine catalyzed by the enzyme thymidine synthetase is shown in the scheme 10.17. Anti-cancer drug starting this enzyme should selectively inhibit the formation of the DNA because thymidine is not a normal component and also inhibit the RNA molecule. Thank you very much. This was all about the anti-cancer drug. We discussed a lot about the anti-cancer drug, and I did talk to you that once again I would like to repeat it for you. There are 5 ways through which you can intervene, and we have discussed all these 5 ways, and we discussed cell cycle, we discussed various cofactors which are involved in it, we discussed many other things, and again we discussed various drugs which has been included in your syllabus. And if up till now you are unable to understand anything, you can talk to me any moment, anywhere and at any time, except only 6 hours, that is at the night from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. early in the morning. Other than that, you can talk to me whenever you like, and my mobile number is available on your hands, that is 0300416375.